Today we have our first stikbot pack. Right, AJ?
Yep.
And we're gonna open it right now. Let's see. I'm gonna give you the first look because I like you a lot. Now let's check. First we got Black. He's looking cool right there. You want me to show his face? His face is right there.
Ooh, and we have an accessory.
An accessory, we got the Santa hat. Okay, let's see what else we get. Ooh, that one looks like... We got the rare one. The glow-in-the-dark one. No way. Let's check it out.
We'll show you how it glows later in the video.
Okay, yeah. We got this superhero. He's looking in a really...
Wait, he doesn't have the look.
Okay, I think that was the other one that had the logo.
Let's see.
That is not...
Oh, I got two. We got Brown and the superhero.
Superhero, I thought it was this one right here.
Because he's doing dab.
Okay, we got White. White.
Let's
See what else? Oh, I found another. This
And
guy.
then let's just dump out the accessories.
Got this thing right here. And another Santa Claus hat.
And we can just put this